Who do you think went after Savage when his daughter was killed?
Maybe one of the done them when did that pressure over the years.
He was investigating police officers. High-ranking police officers.
What?
He's on a path that he will not deviate from. And he not top till him find out who caused his daughter's death. May I beg you, do not get in his way.
So that is where his fearlessness comes from.
Savage training is equal to what you received, maybe a little more. I should know. I trained him. And we now need to pull him back to our side. In the meantime, you have work to do.
What is the assignment?
Before we get to the major assignment, I would like to talk to you about your state of mind.
Sir, I'm ready. I've thought about it and I'm ready because everything that my father has done, it has put me to shame and I have to redeem that.
There's something I need to tell you, but this is not the right time.
Sir, not do me that.
In due time. In due time. This place, in the meantime, is a perfect cover. But we need to do more to secure it.
I will, sir.
Before you start your first assignment, you need to speak to one of the Kadaga warriors, Lioness. I think she wants to welcome you personally back to the fold.
Sir, they will be calling in other Kadaga warriors for this?
The ring is huge. Let me show you. Uganda, Kenya, St. Lucia, New York, Philly, and of course our little rock here. So naturally, the Kadaga will be involved. We're losing hundreds of females a day to this thing. And the numbers coming out of Jamaica are alarming.
So it's back to the dark side?
No, not for you. I want you to remain on the surface. And Whisper here will be your additional eyes and ears, if you can keep them open.
Sir, I won't let you know.
Him have it locked, sir.
Not today, he didn't. Everything is different now. You have to be more alert.
Yes, sir.
Some unofficial intel has reached me. It appears someone important has been taken.
Who is that, sir?
Can't say yet. But when word gets out, if it's true, it's going to shake up this island. You will think it's an earthquake.